Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE Blade A73 to an Android device. Begin by getting free app code sent anywhere on both devices. When it's ready, open it. Then you need to click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, then close it by hitting OK. Now select Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of ZTE. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on ZTE, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times and then access your files. After picking all of them, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Download after Watch Ad to connect. To scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the QR code. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!